All right, so we got this trash guard I made. We'll see how it turns out. Just a PVC. I painted it black. So we'll see how it does. So let's get on the boat. Alright. Let's go. We'll get the rowboat. Take the rowboat out, put this homemade, it was a elbow, I believe this was a 45 that I cut for something else, I'm not sure. And then so I had two pieces I cut. So again, this is just a piece. Had a gasket in here. I took the gasket off. And like I said, this was either a 90 or a 45, I don't remember. But I took the gasket off. That way it slides right on the pipe easy if I need to get out and lift it off. I don't need to break that gasket. It doesn't need to be watertight. Just needs to sit on there. The water will flow through the holes. The holes get blocked. Stuff can still flow over the top. Alright, let's get this on. You'll be alright.
Where am I supposed to go? How am I supposed to shoot this? I should have stayed on land.
I'm gonna spin around. Okay, give me the elbow. There should be enough room for the chain. Alright, we'll see how that does. Should keep sticks out, or at least they'll go through and get stuck. They won't be able to flip down.